One simple trick to get up from the floor without kneeling. What if you fell or sat on the floor right now? Could you get up without pain, without kneeling, and without relying on someone else? Most people over 50 secretly worry about this moment. But there's one simple technique that makes getting up from the floor safe, easy, and totally doable for almost anyone. Hi friends! Whether you're dealing with stiff knees, weak legs, arthritis, balance issues, or you simply want to protect your independence as you age, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you the single safest and most effective way to get up from the floor without kneeling, using strength and leverage instead of knee pressure. The technique, the side sit to stand method. Let's break this down step by step so you can practice it confidently, even if your knees hurt, even if you feel stiff, and even if you haven't done anything like this in years. Step 1. Roll to your side. If you're sitting or lying on the floor, don't try to go straight up. That puts too much pressure on your knees and back. Instead, gently roll onto your side. Bend your knees slightly for comfort. This puts your body in the strongest and safest position to start moving upward. Step 2. Use your hands as support. Place both hands on the floor in front of your chest. Push the floor away to lift your upper body, just like pushing out of bed. You don't have to rush. The technique is about fluid movement and leverage, not muscle power. Step 3. Slide into a seated side sit position. Once your upper body is supported, shift your weight so you're sitting upright with your legs bent to one side, like sitting on the ground with both legs off to the left or right. From here, your hips, core, and arms do the work, not your knees. Step 4. Get one foot flat on the floor. This is the key step. Place the foot of your stronger side flat on the floor in front of you. Keep your other leg relaxed and off to the side, no kneeling needed. Your heel should be planted and ready to push. Step 5. Lean forward, then stand. Lean your upper body forward toward your planted foot. Your weight shifts over that foot, almost like you're preparing for a lunge, but without kneeling. Now, push through your foot. Press down with your hands on a chair, couch, or the floor if needed. Lift your body until you are upright. You're standing. No kneeling, no grinding knee pain, no panic or struggle. Practice tip. If this feels challenging at first, practice near a couch, a bed, a sturdy chair. That way you can push off a stable surface until you gain confidence. With practice, this becomes automatic, and it's one of the most important safety skills you can ever learn. Why this trick works. This method is so effective because it avoids kneeling completely, uses the strongest muscles, hips, glutes, and core, relies on leverage instead of brute strength, creates confidence and independence. Unlike kneeling or pushing straight up, this strategy moves your body through the floor to standing transition in stages, so no single joint is overloaded. It uses natural rolling and shifting, motions your body is already familiar with, which makes the movement smoother and safer for sensitive knees, arthritic joints, and stiff backs. The more you practice this, the more your muscles learn the pathway, and the easier and more automatic it becomes over time. And that's it. One simple trick that can keep you independent, safe, and confident for years to come. Practice it now, while you don't need it, so you're ready when you do. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more pain-free strength and mobility tips, and drop a comment below. Were you able to stand without kneeling? Let me know. And before you scroll away, sharing this video might genuinely help someone who's afraid of falling or struggling to get up from the floor.